Previously, Robbie sucks. Robbie had been working on a new logo for the rear tailgate of the Chevy Duramax, but the paint he added seemed to have crinkled. He was very confused as both the paints were chemically compatible. What is Robbie gonna do? Is he gonna get this bow tie ready to shine? Find out on today's episode of Robbie Sucks.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Robbie Sucks. If you guys follow my shorts channels on TikTok and YouTube, you would have seen that I was working on the back tailgate logo for the Duramax. And yeah, here it is. All that crinkle on there. I don't know how it happened, but what we're going to do today is we're going to plan to wet sand it and then re-attack this and hopefully get a good gloss. Maybe even install it later tonight. Check it out. So now I'm just going to take this 1000 grit sanding block and I'm going to use a little bit of water and we're going to wet sand our bow tie, which is right here. After our first run with the wet sand, you can see we got off most of the clear. We're going to have to go ahead and tackle these edges again, and then obviously get all that crinkle off of there as well, but we're moving in the right direction. All right, so it's free from, well, I don't know. Maybe I should sand it some more. I thought it was free from clear, but clearly there's a sheen to it. More sanding. Okay, we got it as good as I care to get it. We're gonna paint this up and see how it turns out. Hopefully it's good. So right off the rip, I don't know how this is going to turn out. We'll see. We'll see how this dries, and we'll come back and look at it a little bit later. I am... Okay, guys, we added ourselves a coat of clear. We're going to let this dry and hopefully get this thing installed. Well, suckers, here it is. Oh boy, that voice crack. You can see that, I don't know. I mean, it's got a little bit of flaking in there, but that's... it's good enough for government work.
Fantastic.
We need to clean off this so I can add more either double-sided tape or epoxy to it. But we'll get this cleaned off and then we'll pop this bad boy on.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Well, that's going to do it, guys, for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. Keep coming back to the channel if you want to see more. Like, subscribe, and remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. Hit up my other social media sites, TikTok, my YouTube Shorts channel, to see daily uploads. I love you guys. Peace. Well, suckers, here it is. Oh boy, that voice crack.